Oh wow, what is it? Birdie? No, not a baby, a birdie, darling. Birdie. Say birdie. Oh, you're trying to give the birdie a kiss? Oh. Has he stopped moving? Have you shook him that much that he won't move anymore? Give it to me, let Mummy see. Give Mummy the birdie. Let me see birdie. Pass me the birdie, quick. No? Mm-mm. Great, nice wet ceiling going on here. Just what you want, isn't it? Dripping from the roof. In fact, let's move that bucket. Yeah, great. Right, let's go back to the bird now. Let me see, have you broken it? Let me see the birdie. Have you broke the birdie? He's not moving, is he? Oh, he's fell off his perch. Yeah. He's fell off his perch, he's not moving. Annabelle, she's broken him. Annabelle, this is why he's dying, because you hold him like that. The poor birdie, look, you can't bash him on the floor. Are you just taking him wherever you go? Come on, we fixed it. Let me fix it.